Hi everyone, and welcome back to another instructional video from Forest River, Wildwood and Salem divisions. I'm Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator for the Wildwood Division, and today we're going to talk about your water hookups, specifically your gravity fill and your pressure fill. This one is your gravity fill. It's quite simple actually. Just unscrew, insert your hose, let your tank fill up as much as it can until you get a little bit of water feedback out of the vent that's here on the side. Once that is done, reconnect. And underneath will be the proper point of where your drainage happens. You're going to let a little bit of water out of there just to make sure that everything flows smoothly. Okay, now we're going to talk about your pressure fill, or also known as your city water connection. Now this is a twist to connect. In other words, your RV hose goes right in there, fits in twists right into this connector. Now we do recommend a pressure regulator. Now, once your supply goes into the unit, make sure you go inside, check your interior fittings, check your faucets, make sure there's no leaks there just in case. Also on this, no pump is even needed.